iPhone 12 Pro, Wi-Fi not working? Don't worry, I'll show you an easy fix. This is the IMEI number, and this is the serial number. First, I'll open the phone's display and remove the logic board. Then I'll place it on the preheating station to separate the two parts. Now I'm placing the logic board on the holder to inspect the issue. The Wi-Fi signal is showing here, so there's no major issue. Reballing the sides should fix it. After reballing the sides, I'll put it on the preheating station and apply paste to attach the two parts together. Now I'm attaching the logic board to the phone, putting in the screws, and lastly, connecting the display connector. Now I'm checking if the Wi-Fi is working. The IMEI and serial number are the same. Thanks for watching.